Absolutely amazing. That's what we are gonna do it on Cute Fox. So we are gonna need some cat eye gel polish 01. It is an absolutely amazing one. Let's put it on our mixing palette and then use a watercolor brush from our collection to paint the head of our fox. You want to go really nice and decent size. And I would describe it like a little bit like paint a triangle, rounded triangle on the top and then make it wider where the cheeks are. Like that will give you the nicest results. Really nice and decent size. Work through your cat eye. And then once you're happy with it, grab the magnet, come up from one side, other side, and then intensify your effect. Really nice and cute. Cure it. Once you've got this part done, you want to take 02, which is a slightly different cat eye, absolutely awesome. And then we are gonna paint the fox tail. Coming in from the face, and then nicely twist it all the way down. Just like this, very easy and simple shapes. Take a magnet and intensify your effect. So one side, other side, make it nice and strong and cure it. With the same color, we are gonna paint some ears, just a triangle shape. Keep it nice and simple shapes. Intensify the effect. And flash cure it again. Now let's add some detail. You want to grab a detailer brush and some white gel polish and paint an eye shape. Nice and large. The larger eyes, the better. Keep it into a foxy eye shape. Same with the white, you want to add some detail on the tile, so make it really nice and curved. Come up from the other side. And then let's start making it furry by just dragging the product you've got on your brush and the tip. Then cure it. On top of the ears, you want to pick up a smallest amount of the white and just highlight the ears. One side and other side. Also, we can paint some leaf right on the top and here. Nice and tiny one. And another one. And another one. Again, very simple. And cure it. Using the Tyler brush, grab some black and then you want to paint like a very cute nose. Again, make it a triangle shape and some eyes. On the bottom, you can separate the head a little bit from the tile and cure it. With white, add sparkle through the nose and then using a base gel, secure some small gem on the top of the head. Cure it. High Shine No Wipe Top Gel is our last step, so pick up a scoop of it and apply on the entire design. Look how pretty it is. If you enjoyed it, hit the share button so the other can see it as well, and all the products are available on our website listed in the description of this video.